Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to do introductions about how to use Microsoft Word. And do you know what is Microsoft Word? And how is it important to our life? Microsoft Word is important because it's a program on computers that help us to create a lot of reports and also documents that can be done on the computers. So basically everything could be automatic. So for me, it will make our life become easier, and also we do not have to handwrite in everything. And also in Microsoft Word, you can use picture and also clip art to illustrate the contents also. And I think you should know how to use Microsoft Word, since all the company and organization will ask you to do monthly report and also yearly report on Microsoft Word. And if you don't know how to use it, you are the person who's smaller job opportunities in the futures. So today, I will show you how to use Microsoft Word in the most effective way. And let's start. Go. And now I want to teach you how to use a cover page. So you go to document elements, which is on the top, and then you go to cover, and they will come up with a list of pages. So I want to choose a page cover 14, which is this one. So you press, and as you can see, you have one more extra page, which is this page. And now I want to do page break. So here, after the cover page, I want to have a page break. I go to insert, and then go to break, and then go to page break. Which one in here? And now most of the page already got page break, which is very good. And now I'm start moving on to using the picture and also the clip arts. So now I need to copy and paste the picture from any website. For example, I want to copy and paste the picture from my reference. So I put down to reference. Okay, so this is my reference, which is where I get the picture come from. So I copy this and then I paste it in the files. For example, because I'm doing room divisions in my document, so I'm gonna go to room and I'm gonna get the picture of the rooms. I wanna teach you how to copy and paste the picture, and also manipulating, compressing at least like 3 images. So I wanna go to the wonderful room. So I have this picture, so I copy because it's a really good size already. So I'm copying the image and then go back to my document Word. So now I'm gonna go and find the sections where it say wonderful room. So here's a wonderful room. I just copy and then I paste. And it's gonna look like this. So now if you want to manipulate the picture, bigger or smaller, using the corner area of the picture. So either you make it small or bigger. And also you can double click and then you go to wrap text and then you can choose type. So you can put the picture in the middle of the text. So it's basically gonna look like this. And apart from that, if the picture the size is too big and you cannot save the picture, cannot save the whole document, you can double press to the picture, so it's gonna come up like this on the tools bar, and then you go to compress, you click it here, and then you choose the best for printing, which is 220 ppi. So which is a really good size already, and you click OK, and that should be fine. And it's going to apply for the whole images in the text. And now we are moving to choose the different room. So I'm going to give you one more room, or 2 more, depends. So I'm going to go to room, and now I'm going to choose extremely wow suit. It looks such a nice picture, and then I'm copy the picture again, go to Word documents, and I'm going to find I'm trying to find the extremely one. Here is the extremely well suit. So like I paste the image again in here. So I double click and then I go to wrap text and I go to type and then I move it here because for me when you go to wrap text and you do size, you can move the picture easier in any place that you want to, and it won't break the style of your text. So do manipulating it, make it smaller. So I put it in the middle of the text, and then I'm compressing. I just do compressing again because I want to show you again to make sure. And now we're moving on to smart arts. If you want to create any type of smart arts, you can go to smart art like this. Let me see what is going to be in the main report. In the main report, the smart arts will go to hotel feature and facilities. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 points on total, which is this one. So now I'm gonna create the same smart arts for my draft. So I go back.
What?
Here's the feature and facility sections. So I'm gonna create a smart arts of all the main points first. So I want to put it here, and I want to have the whole page for the smart arts. So I'm gonna create one more page break. So I go to insert, page break. So I have one more slide here to create the smart art. Then I'm going to smart art. I'm gonna create a cycle. So I'm choosing this one, which is my cycle that I want to choose. So I double click. And now I already have my smart art. So I move it to this page. So I can move this like this if I want to. And I'm start within the text. And if you want to add in one more extra column of this, you go here and you click the white plus in the orange circle. This. I keep clicking, so like now I already have 5, and in here I have 10, so I click 5 times. I have 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I go here and then so this was when I know that I'm done with my smart art because it's including all the color already. So now I'm pressing it down. So I will try to make this become bigger by using this. You make it bigger by manipulating it from the corner. So I move it to this side. Or I can use this and then remove this. So I have it perfectly stay in the middle, and it doesn't even move the text up there. So now I already have this. If the text is too small, I go to home and I can make the text bigger here for more people to read. So pitch, I'm gonna leave this bit, and then after that one as well. And I want to keep doing that until the end. So what I'm trying to do now is like increasing the size.
Sometimes in an article we have to use different kind of size or different kind of theme for it. But like if we do it one by one, there will be a waste of time. So we have style to help us, which you can find at home. So when we need to set a standard for one kind of text, we can use this one to modify it, and then choose the size you want, the format you want, and the color you want, and then just press OK. Then for this one normal, that means apply to all the text. And then for the heading one, we can set it to be a bit larger and different kind of format. Color maybe different, and then we can also use border this one to add a line behind under it, so it become a title. Then all you need to do is just use the selected text you want and apply it. For example, in this text, we will apply it to this tool, and then the climate. The facility.
I'm so smart.
Nearby attraction and rooms. And then we can also set, and this one is the main title, and this one we can use it as a subtitle, which let's say 16. Okay, all we need to do is the same thing as always, just select the text we want and then click on it. So after you finish applying all the style, then you can start to make the table of content. Which the table of content you can find it in document element. Click on it and click on any style you want. For example, I want this one. Then you can find out that he already automatically help you to type in every title and subtitle you have. And then if afterward you're adding anything in it, then you can just